In a world where healthcare is evolving, one device stands at the forefront, dedicated to transforming the way we approach our well-being. Here is the aaboRing, the smart ring that will transform your way of living. It comes in an exquisite box with details mentioned on the back. As we unveil the box, we see the seamless masterpiece, the aaboRing, accompanied by a wireless charging port, charging cable, and user manuals. It also comes with a 1-year warranty with an option to extend it for an additional year. Wondering how to start your journey with aaboRing? No worries. The user and instruction manuals will guide you through the valuable information about its usage and installation for a smooth setup with graphical images and optimal usage. So you better gear up. First, simply place your aaboRing on the wireless charger with the sensor facing the USB connector side. As it charges, the green LED blinks and the charger's LED illuminates. After 40 minutes, your aaboRing is fully powered and ready for action. With a remarkable 4 to 7 days of battery life on a full charge, aabo ensures uninterrupted monitoring. Unlock the full potential of your aaboRing by scanning the QR code in the thank you note. Download the app, which is compatible with both Android and iOS. aaboRing effortlessly connects to the app through Bluetooth. After going through the privacy policy and terms of use carefully, register your account and seamlessly bind your aaboRing for optimal functionality. Wear your aaboRing with the sensor on the palm side of your hand for accurate readings and a seamless interaction experience, preferably on your index finger. The titanium-crafted aaboRing exudes elegance with its super light, sturdy, stretch-resistant design and IP68 waterproof. Effortlessly fitting onto your finger, it ensures a comfortable and hassle-free experience, allowing you to wear it throughout the day. This timeless ring design comes in 7 different sizes and 4 elegant colors: stellar silver, deep black, glittering gold, and radiant rose gold. In settings, set goals for sleep modes and heart rate dip, aligning with your age and fitness. Customize preferences for activities like workout or sports, water intake, and food or medications. aabo's finger-based pulse signal provides unmatched accuracy, outperforming wrist-based devices and delivering precise health data. It takes into account cardiovascular insights like heart rate, HRV, and vitals such as blood oxygen level, respiratory rate, and finger temperature, enabling personalized, predictive, and preventive healthcare. aaboRing seamlessly monitors mindfulness, fitness, and sleep. Check your mindfulness by clicking the plus icon in the app's bottom right. Follow app instructions for 1-minute and 2-minute mindfulness readings. aaboRing starts monitoring heart rate within 30 minutes of wearing. aaboRing meticulously monitors your sleep and naps, offering detailed insights on total sleep, quality sleep, deep sleep, and heart rate dip, and displays comparing them to set goals. It also provides SpO2 and respiratory rate readings during sleep. Using these parameters, aaboRing calculates a sleep score, providing valuable insights into your sleep patterns, which help identify any sleep disorders like sleep apnea. aaboRing tracks heart rate, HRV, finger temperature, and steps count, calculating a readiness score which is displayed on the home screen and readiness tab. Results are color-coded for quick interpretation: green for optimal, orange for good, and red for attention. For fitness enthusiasts, track body vitals during workouts or sports. In workout mode, while walking or running, it monitors heart rate, steps, distance, and calories. Also set goals and receive proactive alerts. Set your preferences for target time and workout intensity right from 10 seconds to 180 seconds. In sports mode, monitor your playtime, heart health indicators. aaboRing acts as your personal coach, providing timely reminders for optimal performances. The aaboRing your ultimate wellness companion, delivers proactive alerts tailored to your preferences. Receive consolidated weekly and monthly reports for a comprehensive overview. Swipe through the app to effortlessly access health and wellness insights, enhancing your experience and paving the way for a better lifestyle. Stay ahead with aaboRing. Get yours today and dive into the world of endless possibilities. aaboRing. Enter the circle of health now.